And let's see, maybe we can put it at an angle just like this. This would be great for watching a YouTube video, or we can put it at an angle just like this. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, cases, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio Pro Folio, which is a folio that goes around your existing Apple MagSafe charging puck to allow you to use it as a stand for charging up your iPhone. So before we start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending this accessory, which by the way, they unveiled during CES 2022, out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. And anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, we've got an iPhone, Apple's MagSafe charger, and Speck's Presidio Pro Folio right here on the front. It says Speck right here. It says one folio for MagSafe charger right here. And over here on the back, we've got another picture of it. And it says you can use your phone in portrait and landscape. You can set it to multiple viewing angles. It has cable management and it's got magnetic closure. So anyway, let's just open this box up so we can go ahead and peel this sticker on the bottom right off of it. And then we can begin sliding the box within the box out right here. And here is the folio itself. So it looks like that's all that's in the box. So we can put this to the side, and here is the folio. And wow, it actually feels pretty well built. I'm liking this material it's got going on right here. It feels pretty sturdy, and let's see how it works. So it seems like you can open it up like this, and boom, now you've got it standing like a stand. Here, let me show you. Look at this. Oh yeah. And as you can see right here is the area where you put your Apple MagSafe charger into it. And spoiler alert, I actually have my very own Apple MagSafe charger right here. So let's see, how should we put it in? Looks like we can go just like this. Okay, we can get it in there nice and easy, nice and snug. And then it looks like you can run the cable over here a couple times around the actual folio itself if you want to sort of manage the cable. But right now I need it at its maximum length because I do have it plugged into the wall, so it is active and ready to charge. So now that I've got my Apple MagSafe charger right here into the Speck Presidio Pro Folio, and I've got to say that name is a bit of a tongue twister right there with all the P's, I can put my iPhone onto it nice and easy magnetically, just like that. And ooh, it really seems like it wants to slip off right there. That is a bit strange. Let's see. There it goes right there. And now it is not slipping, so that is good. And we can also put it in portrait orientation right here. And you know what I'm noticing? I feel like this would be better with a case because the camera bump right here is actually making it so that the iPhone's back where the magnets are can't seem to get close enough to the MagSafe puck itself. Because, okay, at this angle it doesn't really want to slide, but as you saw right there when it's in portrait or landscape, it just wants to slide right off. So now right here I just put Speck's own MagSafe Presidio grip case onto my iPhone 13 Pro Max. They also sent this case out to me for free in order to make a video about it. I'll have a link to that video down in the description if you guys want to watch it. But basically, let's see if it works better now. So we can go ahead and boom, now it is sticking. So my prediction was correct. Basically, you just need to get the flat of the phone more level instead of having that camera bump sort of distance the back of your phone from the magnets. So now it is working just as advertised. And let's see, maybe we can put it at an angle just like this. This would be great for watching a YouTube video, or we can put it at an angle just like this if we're maybe putting it by our bedside to charge it overnight. So now next, I've unplugged my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here so we can try out that cable management by just wrapping the cable a couple times around the actual folio itself here. So let's see. And Speck actually says by doing this, you can sort of protect the cable if you want to travel with the MagSafe charging puck right here. And then now that we've got the cable all inside the folio, we can fold it shut and boom, now this is pretty easy to travel with. So if you're looking for a solution to turn your Apple MagSafe charging cable into a MagSafe charging stand, especially one this slim and compact, which which could make it easier to travel with. I mean, you could definitely slip this into a backpack or even a shirt pocket right here. This accessory could be for you. Now, folks, if you want the Speck Presidio Pro Folio right here for yourself, it'll set you back about $40, which coincidentally is also the same price as Apple's MagSafe charging puck right here. So if you already have the MagSafe charging puck from Apple, I could see if you want to sort of make it have more features and turn it into a stand by buying this accessory right here. But if you currently lack both, this whole bundle right here will set you back about $80, which is quite similar to the price of a complete all-in-one MagSafe charging stand like Belkin's own MagSafe charging stand right here. I made a video about this one as well. I'll have a link to it down in the description if you guys want to check that out. But this guy right here, I believe it'll only set you back about $100. And obviously that's pretty expensive, but at about $80, so is this bundle right here. So you might consider wanting to spend the extra money and getting an all-in-one stand right here if you don't want something that's super easy to travel with, because obviously this is not something I would want to just throw in a backpack, whereas this is definitely something that you could. So it really depends what you're looking for. For me personally, I do charge my iPhone every night on Belkin's own MagSafe charging stand right here. And since it is just in this circular shape right here, rather than a full, flat flush rectangle, like the Presidio Pro Folio, you can just plop your iPhone onto it without a case on if you choose to use it that way, and also in landscape right there. And you can also use it with a case on. Honestly, I do charge it with a case on just in case, you never know. But yeah, anyway, with that, folks, that'll be all for this nice, quick, easy Warenotice unboxing of the Speck Presidio Pro Folio right here. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this accessory. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.